Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store pardon issue on Windows step by step, so let's get started. First, press Windows + R on your keyboard and you will see the Run dialog box. Now type Services, MSC and click on OK. The Services window will open. Now scroll down and find Windows Update, then double-click on it. Here go to Startup type and select Automatic, Delayed Start, then click on Apply and click on OK. After that, scroll again and find Update Orchestrator Service, then double-click to open it. Now go to Startup type and again select Automatic, Delayed Start, then click on Apply and click on OK. This step helps fix the Microsoft Store pardon issue by enabling the required background services. Now close the Services window, go to the Start menu, click on the Power option, and then click on Restart. After your PC restarts, open Microsoft Store again and your pardon issue should be resolved. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.